In a learning for all culture, there are skills and competencies in every content area that every student must learn, right? The need to knows and the nice to knows, power standards, essential standards, whatever you want to call them. No one teacher has all the answers to unlock learning for every student. I don't care if you got a room full of teachers of the year. I don't care if you got a room full of Jaime Escalantes, Aaron Gruels, Marva Collins. No one's got all the answers. So our best shot, our only shot at all, is for teachers to collaborate. And like our teammate said, and I see some in the chat, in that process, it's an opportunity to improve our instructional practice as well. But that's the only reason why teachers collaborate. That's the only reason. If we weren't interested in every student mastering what's essential, then we would have no need for collaboration, because for good teachers, they can get most kids to learn. But the best chance at all is to collaborate.